Hey guys, what's going on? Dewan Harden here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to a new episode. Those of you who are not familiar with my channel, I am in the make money online niche. I teach people how to work from home, creating the lifestyle of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And today's video is affiliate marketing, your quest to success in 2019. So when I say about your quest in your business, just starting off, this is definitely a mindset video here, just to give you guys some clarity when it comes to this type of business. You definitely have to have that strong will to understand that maybe in your second month or third month of being in business and you haven't made any money yet, officially in your business, to not be discouraged by it, to have a total goal in mind, to achieve a certain level. And what I say by that is that, say for instance, if you're not worried about actually making a commission off of your affiliate marketing and you're focusing on, say, whether it be your YouTube channel, if that's what you're using as your primary source to drive traffic, free traffic, organic traffic for your business, then you want to focus more on creating content, creating enough content. And at the same time as you're building your organization, building your subscriber base on your channel, because that is one form of payment that you can be tapping into just before you start getting payments now, and before you start achieving commissions in your affiliate marketing business. So if you go the route of where you're trying to increase your YouTube channel to get to 1,000 subscribers, quick, fast, in a hurry, which I do have made previous videos on how you can, get more subscribers to your channel and also to get more watch hours on your channel. So take a look at those videos. I will leave a link for that video at the end of this video if you're interested and want to know more about that. So focus on trying to grow your channel to get to that 1,000 watch hours, 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. That's what I meant to say. And then once you get that, then YouTube will start, monetizing your channel itself and putting ads on your videos. So then you start tapping into that income from the work from home aspect. And then you start generating that, and now you're getting positive cash flow. And then from there, you can start taking that and funneling that money, if you want to, into some paid traffic. And, that can further your business and, further your goal. Case in the meantime where you're not making any money off of, selling your affiliate program, whatever business that you're promoting and stuff like that. So just having a strong goal in mind and having a focus on what can, drive you to start reaching the income fast. That's one route that you can go right there. And also taking in mind that there are other things that you can be, participating in the meantime. Other streams of online marketing or online, money-making opportunities that you can definitely be doing while you're still promoting your main opportunity, of course. And you can take advantage of those different things. But just having a strong will and having a goal in mind and intention of what you're trying to achieve for yourself is what you really need to have, on your forefront every day as you wake up and you're starting your day off and you're doing your business. Don't be thinking about the fact that, okay, I haven't made any money in, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, or however long it is. Don't be focused on that kind of stuff. Think about the long picture, because it's all about what you do in the beginning is what's going to, the fruit, the seeds that you plant right now and the fruit that you produce in the long run from all this. So just always have that in the back of your mind. And there's nothing can stop you if you have that in the back of your mind. Okay? Treat this, as a baby. You're nurturing it and so on and so forth. And you just want to see it grow and mature into a fine specimen. That's basically what in a nutshell, what you want to do with this business. So, I definitely want you to be, positive, and don't be on the negative at all, because it's not going to help you. Also, to help you out with that, what helps me out, and, I totally encourage you, is like right now at the same time I'm growing my YouTube channel, and it's growing by leaps and bounds right now. I'm on the verge of, reaching, a first level goal with my channel. But at the same token, I'm growing my other platforms, my Facebook, I'm growing my Instagram, I'm growing my Twitter, getting new followers daily on my Twitter as well as my Instagram. And one of the things that I'm doing on all three of them is I'm growing, like with my Instagram specifically. I don't post any pictures of myself or my business opportunity or nothing like that whatsoever. But what I do is I'm in the positive business quote aspect of my Instagram. So every single day I post a positive business quote to help inspire those who are doing what they're doing, in hopes that I'll gain more followers, and I'm getting more eyeballs to my business opportunity, and that I just achieve a higher level of status with that. But at the same time, I'm funneling all these people back to my YouTube and so on and so forth, and that's turning out to pay out for me. So I'm gaining the followers that I need. I'm getting the eyeballs that I want to have on a daily basis, and that's what this whole thing is all about. So your consistency is everything. Now, granted, last couple of days I haven't posted any videos, but I've been consistent with doing my business quotes and everything like that on my other platforms and so on and so forth. And I'm going to make up for these 2 days that I haven't made any content for you guys. I might have to double up, whether it be this evening or whether it be another day out my week where I have a day off from my full-time job, and I can contribute that. Sometimes if you're, I'm still doing a 90-day challenge, but the same token, there's times when you have to devote some more time to your family, and that's fine. You definitely don't want to neglect your family and the things that you're doing. If you have a family, you definitely don't want to neglect them. So you definitely want to give, as much time and consideration as you possibly can. At the same time, you want to be able to rest yourself and revitalize, and then get back to it again and keep on pushing. So never forget about what the goal is and what you're trying to achieve. Staying focused, having that positive mindset, and I guarantee you will get the results that you want to receive. I have no doubt in my mind about where I'm going to be at by the end of this year and moving on for the rest of my life. I have no doubt. So you should have that same exact thought process in your mind with whatever niche market that you are, embarking on. Checking my time, making sure I'm in good here. Yeah, I'm straight. So with that being said, I encourage you guys to go out there and just really put forth the effort. Be consistent. Don't give up. Don't let, a couple of months or a month or whatever it may be, deter you from what you're trying to do. Put your whole effort into it and keep on putting your effort into it. No one can ever say anything different about the amount of work that you put into your business. People may check on you and ask you how everything's going. Everything's going great. Bottom line, everything's going great. I'm exactly where I want to be, and I'm exactly where I'm going to be approaching moving on in the future. So the pace is set, and I'm just I'm just running my race. And at the end, I'm going to win. I'm going to win. I know you're going to win. So go out there and do it. That's my spill for today. Today is it's Saturday. It's Mindset Saturday. So that's what I want to embark on you guys, to get you motivated and get you equipped for the next week coming up here. And I really want you guys to be inspired, filled up, feeling that soul being driven so that you can go out there and truly crush your business opportunity and get maximum results for your business. Stay tuned for some more additional content that I will be putting out consistently for you guys. And if you guys are, just watching my videos or just learning about affiliate marketing, because that's what it is that I do, feel free to check out my #1 business opportunity in the description below. And I guarantee you will definitely get some positive results out of this business opportunity, and it'll definitely be of true benefit and value to you. And if you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you. If you like this video, shoot me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell for notification, because I will be consistently putting out more content for you guys on a regular basis. Guys, I appreciate you. And I want you guys to be inspired, and I want you to be, like I said, I want you to be soul driven, get your belly filled up, and go out here and really crush this game out. All right, guys, take care. Dewan Hart here, signing out. See you on the next video.